I'm gonna get this dope slide-in shot, watch. Yeah! Okay, I think I need a knife. This'll work. I don't remember what this project is, actually. I remember what this project is now. It's a calculator. There we go. Detailed manual. Please be a video, please be a video, please be a video. Wait, this company made the speaker that I built. No. Fuck it, everything can only go in one place, right? A battery. This is a battery connection. Did you guys know the Calc is short for calculator? Okay, so I kind of forgot to start recording again, but this little guy in here was probably the smallest piece in here. Really easy to install. Just solder these back two pins down and then you'll be good. But we're back in it. The next step is to install the centipede. Anyone that's done soldering before knows that this is called the centipede because it looks like one. It's not called anything else. I don't know why the instructions are calling it a DIP28 IC socket. That's not right. So anyways, install your thing here with the notch over to the right. I don't know if you can really see it too much, but there's a notch right here. Make sure that's on the right side of the calculator. Step 3, get your monolithic capacitor. This does not look very monolithic, I don't know. That might actually be the smallest piece. That's gonna go in right next to it. There we go. I'm gonna bend the pins on the back a little bit because if I flip this over, that's just gonna fall out and I don't want that to happen. The next thing we wanna install is the battery clip. This is the battery clip. I saw somebody put their battery in to start using the calculator. I'm not sure if you have to do that every time or if there's gonna be an on and off switch, but you definitely wanna make sure this is installed right. So after that just snaps into place, we wanna install the keys. I'm assuming these white caps are the key caps. Okay, so the next step would just be putting these on. I'm just gonna go ahead and pre-install them because I can. I feel like it. Now we just want to slide these little guys in here. All of these spaces here we want to slide them into. So there's 17 of them. This must feel so good for the Calc. Calc is short for calculator, guys, if you're new here. We use slang here. Yeah! Nice. They definitely work. Okay, so after that, we're gonna install little screens. These are really cute, very tiny for, I mean, a calculator screen maybe, I don't know. But these will just slide in here. Make sure the decimals are facing down where they're supposed to be. Oh, okay, so this next part is pretty cool. They give you this sheet and you're supposed to cut out all of the little squares and place them inside the clear keycaps. You can see it now. Which means I need some scissors. Do I have to do this twice? I hope not. Did I tell you guys I was on the pro cutting team in school? No safety scissors. I accidentally cut 7 a little bit too much. I'm getting rusty. And now I guess we're supposed to put these little stickers inside of here. I don't know if it's gonna work too well. We'll see. Told you, I'm a pro cutter. Alright, the next thing it wants us to do is install the baby centipede, which you probably can't tell, but it's just a little bit smaller. It's pretty much the same piece, but it's gonna fit on top of the one that we've already put in. I don't think it fits with the pins all stuck out like this, so give me a second. I want to squeeze them in a little bit. Again, there's that little notch right here. You need to put that on the same side. I want to take this out. I need help. I don't know what's wrong with my camera, guys. I'm so serious. I got the big thing back in and I started clipping on these. Apparently these can just clip back on to the white keycaps down here. Okay, so I skipped ahead a little bit in the instructions. All of this needs to be fastened to the back, and now I'm kind of worried that when I flip it over, everything's gonna fall out, but we'll see about that. This is gonna be tough. I think what I should do is flip it sideways. Oh God. Okay, so the only thing I'm really worried about falling out is this centipede up here. This is kind of tucked in, and this. What I've done with the buttons is, since there's like a tab on each one of the bottom, there's these tabs on each of those keys. I kind of just like pushed one inwards so it kind of helps itself from not falling out. Now all I've really got to do is make sure I hold the centipede in and keep the display ready. Okay, so all I've really done is I've soldered a couple of these corners down and made sure that they're not going to fall out. But other than that, we've got a lot of things to solder down. All of these points we got to solder down. So I should mention I'm not the best at soldering. I don't know if that was clear or not. Very bad. If you're also practicing, make sure you wipe off your tip, especially if you don't have any flux, because you're not going to like it if you can't get through the entire project that you've just spent 2 hours on. Well, the screens are locked in place now. Let's get the monolith capacitor locked down. I should probably be wearing a mask. I'm huffing this. Do you guys think that you can get high off of smoking tin? Still haven't burned myself with a soldering iron, so that's good. I think I need a longer strand because I keep running out really quickly. You go through a lot, to be honest. I mean, this is how much I've got pulled out right now. We'll see how long that lasts because I've still got to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 buttons. So far I've gone through, I don't know, 3 feet of wire. Okay, I'm trying to give you guys a better angle to see what's going on. I don't know if this is going to turn out very good, but we'll see. I thought it was possible. The electrician backpack is really coming in handy right now. Better. Okay, so anyways, I think we can finally turn this off. I can just flip the switch on the back if I don't burn myself. And throw these in the little trash bucket. Okay, let's get back to the instructions, I guess. So it says now we can finally put the battery in. I want to see if this works. I believe we placed the back towards us. Oh! No way! Oh my god! That's so cool. Everything works exactly how it's supposed to. That's so cool. Oh my god. Chat, let me know if that's right. I don't know. How do I get the battery out? There's no on and off switch either. I see that now. So this is the part that I really hate about these, is that this product has the worst assembly of the case I've seen in my entire life. I have already built a speaker from this company and it is still actively falling apart. I had to put it together with electrical tape. It's kind of on my fault because I didn't want to go to the store and get super glue. I want you to see how tiny these pieces are and they want me to screw them together. I'm gonna try, I guess. I've got to do it 4 times. And if I know anything about math, which I do because I've got a Calc now. Calc is short for calculator, guys. That means I gotta do it 3 more times. And this went, oh god. Make that 2 more times. Let's go, baby. We're on a winning streak. Did it. I didn't drop any of them either. I should be like a gnome or something. All right, tear the back off the acrylic surface. We're talking about this piece right here. And here's the other thing. Do you see any place where I can tear this off easily? Because I don't either. Awesome. We got 1 piece. We've got 5 more left. It's gonna take me all day to get this screw in. Oh, wait, I didn't realize my screwdriver was magnetized. Maybe it's not. I don't know. I don't know how magnetism works. I know how the-tism works. Woo! We're getting somewhere. Awesome. Do you guys think that someone did this manually for each one of the TI-84s that we used in high school? They better not have, because I would be crying for them. Okay, I guess that should work. Back at it again. That might have been the fastest I've done one of those. Guys, I'm getting better at it. I'm getting better at it. And one more. Oh, there's a tiny little piece stuck on there. You didn't see that. All right, for the top piece finally. Am I actually gonna be able to take this out of my house without it falling apart? This is gonna take forever, isn't it? No, it's not. Oh my god, I'm speed running. Oh no, I gotta use the nuts again. As long as I can get one started, I think I'll be fine. But these things are so small. And if I lose one right now, I'm gonna be pissed. Oh my god. There's a more optimal way of doing this, but I wanna make sure you guys can see at least a little bit. Please, please, please don't fall off. A couple more. Would you look at that? I guess the speaker that I had downstairs is the epitome of destruction. And this is what success feels like. Last one. Oh, they gave me one extra nut. One tiny extra nut. Look at that. This is so cool. Here's the extra parts that you might have been left over with. And here's my thumb. But here we go. We got a functional calculator. Finally. Oh, slide the battery in real quick. Hello? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, no. So, I think it might be a battery problem. And luckily for me, I've got a couple of these lying around because they're the same ones that you use in like air tags and stuff. Because after I tried plugging it in, it didn't work. I only really had it on there for like 5 minutes, but still. If this doesn't work, I'm gonna sticker bomb it. Are you serious? Everything looks normal on the back. We all knew that it was working before. Yeah. Okay, so update to the calculator situation. I know what caused it to break now. So I took it out to show the person that bought me the project and I threw it on the passenger seat of my car and the caterpillar piece popped out. So for anyone else that maybe found the video and it was trying to follow along, push the caliper. So the caterpillar piece popped out like that. Just try pushing that caterpillar piece back in as much as you can. And there you go. Hopefully not everyone has the problem because I really like the product. It's just, it has a bit of, it doesn't want to work sometimes. That's probably right. It works as a really good on and off switch, that piece, because it'll pop out here eventually. But if you really want to follow along with the instructions that they provide you, then I can try and link that in the description. If you run into the same problem, I don't really know what to tell you, but push this piece back in and sometimes it comes back on. Luckily, I have a calculator on my phone, so I don't really need to use this too much, but it is really cool. I wish it would work more.